everyone, welcome back. If you experience an error after changing your Instagram password, start by logging out of the app completely. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Instagram, swipe it away, wait for a few while, then reopen it. If login fails, use the forgot password option again to ensure the new password and was set correctly. Restart your phone to refresh the app session. Then make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Head over to your app store, search for Instagram and make sure that it is updated to the latest version. If you're logged in on multiple devices, log out from other devices to avoid session conflicts. If the issue continues, try logging in through a web browser to confirm your account is active, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.